First of all, take new composition. Select text tool and type like this. Now align the anchor point to center like this. Also increase the text size to 140. Now go to window and choose align. Here click on these horizontal and vertical center alignment options. Now create the scale and rotation animation keyframes like this. Also enable motion blur option. Now select all these keyframes, right click keyframe assistant and choose easy ease. You can also hit shortcut F9 for this easy ease option. Now go to effects and presets and search for echo effect. Drag and drop this effect on this layer. Now change these settings like this. Cool and perfect. Now the time to see the final result.